Hey honeycrunchers, and welcome to day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. For day 8, I'm showing you guys how I did this layered snowflakes nail art. I'm using different kinds of snowflake patterns for today, and I'm using 3 different colors too. Then after all of that, I'm applying top coat. And that's a wrap for day 8. Keep your eyes peeled as I upload another video tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to know the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!